prime time. Big Snoop D-Go double chisel. In the hissle, the shizzle. Yeah. Give me the ball, I go for it all. I gotta get mine, so you gotta get yours. Hey, I bet you wanna, I bet you wanna. Go prime time on NFL Network. Hey, hey.
This is what you've been waiting for, baby, right here on the corner of 21st and Prime, sponsored by Napa Auto Parts. And let's make this thing do what it does. Number 10. Hey, when you win your brim like this, I don't care what you did in the game, but they won anyway. But he's making a fashion statement. Say, got that thing tilted, lean, and mean. Go Big Ben. I love it, baby. You can make prime time all kind of ways. Number 9. 49ers wide receiver Michael Crabtree. 49ers defeat the Rams 26-0. 4 receptions, 96 yards in the TD versus the Rams. 49ers clinched first NFC West division title since man. That's who he is. Number 8. Cardinals running back Larod Stevens-Howling. Cardinals defeat the Cowboys 19-13 in overtime, but this screen went for 52 yards for the game-winning touchdown. Let's take it to the house right after that and let's go home. Number 7, Saints quarterback Drew Brees. His man could go in an argument for the MVP this year if A-Rod, Aaron Rodgers, like that, hadn't been playing so well. 26 for 36, 342 yards, 3 touchdowns on the day. 11 touchdown passes, 1 interception in the last 4 games. Number 6, Dolphins running back Reggie Bush. Dolphins defeat the Raiders 34-14 in the beatdown, but Reggie Bush 22 for 100. The TD versus the Raiders. Second game of the season with 100 and more yards. Are you kidding me? The Dolphins are balling. Hoppy, come on, Chef. One of my true kids right here making it do what it does. Now get out of here. That was called hooking a player up. Okay? Number 5. Bronco Tebow. Oh! The Tebow wide receiver, Demaryius Thomas. Tebow 10 for 15. Yeah, he's throwing the ball more effectively. 202 yards, Thomas, 4 receptions. A buck 44. Mike, you can play for him if he gets you a buck 44, right?
I love Tebow.
Number 4. Chiefs defense. The Chiefs defeat the Bears 10-3. 7 sacks, 3 interceptions, only 3 points allowed. Chiefs rookie linebacker Justin Houston had 3 of the 7 sacks. Are you kidding me? Number 3, Titans running back Chris Johnson. Oh, don't call him the comeback because he's been here for years. Thank you for blocking for this phenom, guys. 23 rushes, a buck 53, 2 TDs in the win versus the Bills. Second straight game with 150 more plus yards. Number 2, rookie running back Cam. Whoa, Cam.
Rookie running back.
Cam. Rookie quarterback. Cam. 12 for 21, 204 yards, 14 carries, 54 yards, 3 TDs. And number 1, Ravens running back roll like Rich Eisen say. 29 carries, 204 yards, and the TD. 204 yards rushing is his career high.